As Japan draws global attention in the field of regenerative medicine, stem cells are playing a pivotal role. One of the causes of aging is believed to be a decreasing number of stem cells. The adipose-derived stem cells used by N2Clinic have unique characteristics with excellent benefits. Adipose-derived stem cells have multipotency, which is an ability to differentiate into multiple cell lineages, such as for blood vessels, heart muscle, nerves, bones, and cartilage. The biggest benefit of adipose-derived stem cells is their repair capability. They naturally gather in body tissue damaged due to illness, injury, or aging, so as to repair such tissue. Therefore, adipose-derived stem cell therapy has come into the spotlight as a treatment option for diabetes, myocardial infarction, cerebral infarction, liver function disorder, allergies, and various other diseases. Additionally, many patients have benefited from the anti-aging and beautifying effects of this therapy. Repairing damaged body tissue is the ultimate anti-aging therapy, and it is attracting broad attention in the field of regenerative medicine.